Hi there. Is Israel divided from the inside? The answer is yes, and it's not a secret. Anyone looking at Israel knows it very well, including the Hamas, including the Iranians, including everybody. Everybody sees the weakness of our government and how strong the opposition becomes, not the parliamentary opposition, but the civilians one, when hundreds of thousands of citizens are going to the street a week after week for 39 weeks, and on the 40th week came the disastrous thing that happened south of Israel. So yes, Israel is divided, and we will talk more about this. Bye bye.